Alright, so let us create our first AWS account. Just on your browser, type in AWS and click on the first link where you have the Amazon Web Services. It takes us to this page where we have this interface. You can then click on create an AWS account. So this takes you to this console of AWS, and this is where you want to start up everything you need to start with. Okay, great. So you enter your root user email address. Remember, for your AWS account, you need a root user ID as well as an IAM user. So, but for you to get started, you have to create a root user email address. And so you put in your email address, yeah, and you give it a name. You choose any name for your AWS account, and I'll give it this. All right, so I'll click on verify email address. You have to enter what you found here. Let me do that very fast. Then you submit. All right, so an email has been sent to my email address. Let me just confirm that. And I'll be running the verification. You can see verify. So I'll be using this code to verify this, and I'll click on verify. So it's you, your email address has been successfully verified. Your password provides you with the sign-in access to AWS, so it's important we get it right. So now you create a password, and you might decide to use the one suggested for you. However, you might want to create yours from scratch. So make sure that it follows the password policy. That's what I want to do right now. Okay, great. All right, let's continue. So I don't want to save this. So it says, how do you plan to use AWS? Of course, I want to use it for personal use. In this case, then I'll put in my name. Then I'll put in my country code. Then country of region. Um, so make sure you check this and agree and continue. So here you would need to put in your debit card information, and you're not going to be charged. You just need to have at least $1 on your debit card, which I'll just do very fast now and come back when it's done. Once that is done, it asks you to verify your phone number, and you would want to put in your phone number again, and you can verify via text message or via voice call. Any of it is going to work. FG. So I'll be expecting a text message. Okay, got it. Continue. So of course, let's go for the free plan. We're going for the free plan, and we click on complete sign up. Great. So we're done creating our AWS console, and now we can go to the AWS management console right now. Okay, great. One of the things you have is you have the service menu where you can see different options that you have on your AWS platform that you can use. Those are different resources and tools that you can use. Now you can click on this part and choose the area that is closest to you. Make sure that you choose the area closest to you. Um, so I might want to leave it as it is. So we have it. So just make sure if you're in the US, make sure that you choose areas in the US that are very close to you. If you're in Canada, you have this option already. Any part of Europe, you can choose all of this part, and that's that.